Hello everyone, here is assignment 5 and the topic covered in this assignment is diffusionism. In first section there are 50 objective questions. For example, question number 2. Who among these are known as pan-Egyptologists? Clark Whistler, French Boas, Alfred Kober and D is Smith and Perry. The correct answer is Smith and Perry. Next question. The Children of Sun book was written by Smith, Perry, W.H.R. Rivers and both Smith and Perry. So you have to choose one correct answer out of 4 options. The Origin of Civilization and Diffusion of Culture books were written by both Smith and Perry, G.E.A. Smith, W.J. Perry and D. None of these. Next, question number 12. Who among these was a member of famous Torres Straits expedition 1898? W.J. Perry, G.E. Smith, W.H.R. Rivers, all the above. Whose work made genealogical method as a scientific method for collecting data in kinship organization? A. Grover, Schmidt, W.H.R. Rivers and Rivers कह सकते हैं and Grabner. So you have to choose only one. The correct answer is C, that is W.H.R. Rivers. Which of the following statement is true? Question number 16. Which of the following statement is true? German School of Diffusion is also known as Culture Grid School. Culture Circle School, Culture District School, Culture Historic School are other names of German School of Diffusion. German School of Diffusion is also known as Vienna School of Diffusion. All are true. Answer is all are true. Then the book Method of Ethnology was written by F. Grabner, L. Frobenius, F. Ratzel and W. Schmidt. Who was elected as president of 4th ICAS held at Vienna in 1952? Grabner, Frobenius, Ratzel and Schmidt. Then question number 26. American School of Diffusion is also known as Culture Area School, Pan-Egyptian School, Culture Crease School and none the above. इसी तरह 29th क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंच बोआज was a German diffusionist, American diffusionist, British diffusionist and D none the above. Four-field approach in anthropology was established by question number 33. French Boas, C is Whistler, then B Clark Whistler, then C Alfred Grover and D is none the above. The correct answer is French Boas. Question number 35. Among these diffusionists who first started field-based ethnographic researches. So among these, who first started the field-based ethnographic researches? Whistler, Grover, Boas and none the above. The correct answer is Boas. इसी तरह है the book Quakutal text was written by French Boas, Whistler, Grover and none the above. The concept of cultural configuration was given by question number 41. Answers are French Boas, Whistler, Grover and none the above. Then, who called culture as super-organic and super-individual? French Boas, Whistler, Grover and none the above. The answer is Grover. Who wrote the book Anthropologists Look at History? Whistler, Grover, French Boas, none the above. The term superorganic was given by Spencer, Sapir, Durkheim and Grover. Then the term culture area was coined and first used by O.S. D. Mason, Clark Whistler, A. L. Grover and French Boas. Match the following style and civilization. Here on first section there are the name of books and on the other side name of authors or anthropologists who wrote these books. So you have to match the book with their authors. The next section is short answer type of questions. Here there are 23 short answer type of questions. Write short note on following. A. Pan-Egyptian school. B. Culture Crease school. C. Culture Circle school. Then D is Culture District school. E is Culture Historic school. Vienna School of Diffusion. Then culture area school, culture area concept, cultural relativism, then historical particularism, natural and organized diffusion, age area principle, cultural configuration, then concept of style and civilization, primary and secondary diffusion, Forman-Geidenke, criteria of form and criteria of quantity, cultural relativism and ethnocentrism. तो इस तरह there are 23 short answer questions. Means short notes. You have to write short notes on these 23 topics. Then next section is of long answer type of questions, and here are 15 long answer type of questions. First question, define cultural diffusion, how it is different from cultural evolution. Write a descriptive note on British School of Diffusion. इसी तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है राइट एन एसे ऑन पैन इजिप्शियन स्कूल. थर्ड इज राइट एन एसे ऑन जर्मन स्कूल ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. फोर्थ राइट एन एसे ऑन वियना स्कूल ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. फिफ्थ राइट एन एसे ऑन अमेरिकन स्कूल ऑफ डिफ्यूजन. सिक्स्थ राइट a detailed account on culture area school. Then seventh is what do you mean by culture circle or culture crease and or cultural districts, and explain with the help of contribution of different anthropologists in this area. Then question number 8 is what is cultural area and describe it with the contribution of Clark Whistler. The next question number 10 is culture is superorganic and superindividual. Explain this statement with the contribution of A.L. Kroger in this field. Then what do you mean by historical particularism and cultural relativism? Explain in detail. What do you mean by style and civilization? Describe in detail. An anthropologist should never be ethnocentric. Explain with the help of concept of cultural relativism and historical particularism. Then question number 14 is every culture has its unique history in particular geographical boundaries. Explain. Now last question 15, no culture is superior or inferior. Explain this statement in detail with examples. This is all about the assignment 5. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Meet you in next video. Dhanyavad.